What's your last name, Bryant?
What do you do there all day, Kai? Jell's going to Utah. I'm going to Milwaukee. Mom's going to
drop y'all off.
And then where? Starbucks for sure.
We got Starbucks this morning.
Oh.
Chai, and
then I'm gonna probably go watch Kai.
2 hours later, and then some matcha.
Sounds like a semi, didn't it?
My guy, what's good? You good? Alright, so you guys probably wondering what I'm doing in Milwaukee. Well, I'm out here doing some training with the Bucks, and we'll see how it goes. You know, I had to get all the snacks from the facility. Gummies, love the gummies. I'm here kind of to get ready for something. For those of you who don't know, or new to this channel, I play professional basketball. My wife and I spent our first year in Israel. Yeah, we kind of do videos along the journey and off days and stuff we like to do. While I'm in Milwaukee, I've just been kind of learning their system and kind of getting used to the feel of everything. I had the opportunity to see Giannis work out, and wow, that man's a freak. I'm thankful for the opportunity, and that's all you can really ask for. My biggest thing to you guys, I would say, is to focus on your how. How you're gonna get to that next step, and plan for that next step. Right now, I'm focusing on the next 3 things I wanna do. Pack, take a shower, and clean up. Hopefully that how segment can help someone. You're the deer, baby. So last year, you guys, you saw that I was in Philly for Summer League, and it's crazy how in a year things can change, you know? I feel like last year, my whole mindset was like, I miss a shot, that I'm not gonna make the NBA, you know? My mindset this year is more of like, focus on the task and the process, you know? And it's allowing me to be less stressed. Like, I've slept the best since I've been here. Maybe it's because I'm jet lagged. Don't believe stories that aren't true. And that's the biggest thing I've been trying to work on, you know? Oh, that's Giannis. He does this. Oh my God, you know what I mean? Like, he puts his pants on the same way I put my pants on. Oh, that's the head coach. Like, he thinks this of me. No one said that.
So stop believing stories that aren't true.
When you're going through these pre-draft workouts, sometimes you're like,
if I don't make every shot, I'm not gonna have a chance.
That's not true. Who makes every shot? Start focusing on things you can control. I did a freaking swimming session. Learning how to like swim, like actually swim. Bro, it was so tiring. I did 5 sets of 50, did some drills. So what you do is like, you swim down and back, or for me, drown, down and back. Say you do, start on the 50, when you get back, you start on the 60, when you get back next time, start on the, oh my gosh. Think about swimming, you can't cheat, because if you cheat, you start moving slower. You can't overbreathe because you're underwater. I have so much respect for swimmers now, like so much respect for you guys. Holy crap. What is wrong with these people?
Who goes before us, and you have a brother who goes before you.
So if you guys are confused on what's going on, this is my 2nd week in Milwaukee. There's a player on the team that used to be an arch rival. All right, so now it's time to get a little bit of grub. And they give us like per diem or money to get food. And the sad part about it is, these are the only shoes I brought. The 1, 2, 3. I guess Cole Haans are Nike too, so. You guys seen those? Just got these ones. I don't really care about really colorways, but I got them because my wife's favorite show is Friends. So that's what I got. All right, so I'm packing for Vegas. You guys know what I pack. So I have all this stuff. We gotta pack all this, that. Look how many waters I had. Waters, Gatorade. My biggest lesson I've learned so far since being here is to just focus on being the best that you can be in whatever you're doing. So not worrying about who's there, who you're going against. Just focus on being your best self. And at the end of the day, if you do that, then you can live with that. So here's off to Vegas.
Hey guys, it's your girl. Wait, it's not focused. I have to start over. Hey, I'm back and I'm in Vegas. We are in Vegas, like There's Elijah. I'm gonna show you guys our suite because it's so nice. Okay, ready? Okay, so here's the main door. You walk in. Here's a bathroom. You have a little study area. You have a scene of Vegas. We have a little mini bar.
That we won't be touching.
We have a nice bed,
That we will
some
be using.
closet, a nice view. Oh, and I forgot the bathroom.
Second bathroom.
And this is the main bathroom. Hi. I'm obsessed with this place. Okay, so you got a little goodie bag. Okay, open it. I'll see what's in it. It's like green and yellow. Whoa.
With the 12th pick in the NBA draft, Milwaukee Bucks select Bryant. Oh wait, in the 2028 draft, the Milwaukee Bucks select Bryant from Brigham Young University, 6'8" point guard, standing 212 pounds, with the 20-foot wingspan.
And mega flexibility.
Mega flexibility.
Oh, I love that one. It's like their signature one. Ooh, I like that. That's super cool. It's like a little shopping spree for you. Oh, those are really nice. Oh, those are really nice. Are those too big? Those are nice. Let me see the logo on them. What size are they? Did you get extra large?
Yeah.
You're large in bottoms.
The gray, you know I'm gonna sweat through it.
Oh, long
long
sleeve.
sleeve?
That's so nice. I love that. Why did your face go like this?
Because you know I'm gonna sweat through it. Taco stains.
That's like his worst nightmare. A long sleeve gray shirt. The crazy thing is that like no one notices. Like everyone sweats through their shirt.
No.
Like he's just like.
It's not on the problem. Long sleeve again, dude. My question is, who's wearing long sleeve out here?
This is probably not for here. You have more.
Long sleeve or short sleeve? What's your guess?
Short sleeve. I like that one.
Okay, now let's see what the contract is. Here's the contract. 2-year.
Okay, so I have on my breakfast attire, just a little baseball hat, white tee, Nike joggers, some Converse, and I just primed my face so it's ready for the cake to go on.
Yo, there's an earthquake right now. There's an earthquake right now.
What do we do? Get in a doorway. What do we do?
We're gonna die.
Yo, is there an earthquake?
We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Everybody go.
Hey, what do we do? Get in.
We're gonna die.
Yo!
We're gonna die. It's the dirt. It's the dirt.
Stop. Stop.
We're gonna die. This thing's gonna.
I heard me screaming, oh! Oh, God!
Everybody in the hall.
That's what everyone was doing?
Yo, is there an earthquake?
Earthquake?
Yo.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
It's still going, and the kids are in the elevator.
No, they're right here.
Okay, get in the doorway, you guys.
What do we do?
Open the door for them.
They're in here. What do we do?
The building is built for an earthquake. This thing's gonna.
I heard me screaming, oh!
We're safe. Y'all, I'm joking. I don't. y'all scared.
You
I'm
don't know.
joking.
You don't know
I
that.
was literally like, why is...
No, I thought it was.
That's the worst earthquake I've ever felt in my entire life.
The hall, Roger, we looked down the hall and was doing this. The hall.
It's still going.
No, look down the hall. You can see the hall doing this.
I heard my table, so what was happening. I know my earthquake.
Wait, I was in the bathroom. I'm like, wait, am I moving? Hold on a second.
I heard little kids go.
Mom, are the buildings made for this?
I don't know. I've never been involved in an earthquake like
You want
that.
at the lowest ground when you're bringing an earthquake. So
I thought they were in the elevator. I was nervous.
We're safe.
It was the whole building.
The
was shaking.
hallway was doing
I was
this.
looking at the people.
We were looking down the hall.
You're looking at what?
No, me and Kyra in the hall. We hear
People on the
screams.
TV was wondering what was going on.
Oh, really?
during the game,
Imagine you shoot the ball. Oh shoot!
The whole building felt like it was going like this.
Were you scared?
The hallway?
Well, I knew I was going. No, the building.
The hallway.
We
looked out the window and it was like,
yeah.
I was like thinking like, what? You can't do anything. If the building falls, you fall.
You're dead.
No, you're dead. You're dead.
Yeah.
Topless.
What were you doing when it happened?
I just I put my shirt on and I was like, what are these kids doing? Because the door was slamming, so I thought they were out in the living room. So I looked because I thought somebody had come in my room. So I looked like this one, nobody's in the room. And then the lamp, these were like, I'm like, what? I was like, it's either a supernatural or we're on an earthquake. But then you literally felt the building like,
Yeah, I guess.
give. Don't run outside. Trying to run in an earthquake is dangerous, as the ground is moving and you can easily fall or be hit by debris or glass.
I'm done.
Safer to stay inside and get under a table. Oh yeah,
That's what.
I'm smart.
No. That was about 5 minutes after the earthquake.
Okay.
Kai was joking around. What Kai was really doing in the hall was, why are people screaming? Just standing there. I'm over here.
It says, this is what you need to do. You need to drop immediately to the ground.
Jim was in the doorway.
Get in a doorway.
Is that what you're supposed
The door
to do?
just smack you in the head.
I think my cell phone going, what?
I stretched to the deep corner, which obviously is one of the most coveted shots in the league, but the amount of times guys step on the sideline is incredible.
Bryant with that 15th spot. Now I think Carmelo is a consideration in some places.
Something I've seen in the last 20 control underneath. Bucks on the move, trying to cut into that 11-point lead.
Wilson gives you. He understands how to play the game.
2:10 to go. Wide open three by Bryant is good.
Catch and shoot. Got to make that one, boy. There wasn't a defender within several.
Elon and then BYU, and he's a Swiss Army knife type for the Bucks. Nice steal by Xavier Munford. They got a 3-on-1, and Bryant with the fifth. Second most three-pointers this year next to Houston.
Correct, Mark. And when you go to their practice facility, spaced out deep, are 6 different spots on the floor where they are sprinting.
I think that's worked for him. Worked in Atlanta, worked in Milwaukee. Nice little Euro step through traffic. Elijah Bryant with the bucket.
There's Mike.
Budenholzer.
Here, reigning coach of the year in the NBA. Is that his second? I would assume he won it the first time in Atlanta.
I think he did that year. They went 60 and 22. Nice in and out dribble with the offhand.
I'll tell you, he's played well, Bryant.
Yep.
Been opportunistic when he's seen an instance to go one-on-one. Only one guy to beat. Why not be aggressive and assertive?
Munford, quick move. Great dish to the baseline three, good.
I'll tell you this, Bryant has shown us some stuff.
Yep.
He's made...
I saw a video of him on social media.
Oh, yeah, he
throwing
had
a football some 70-something yards. I think it went 75 yards. Bucket good, and man, he continues to have the hot hand, Elijah Bryant. What a move. Oh, a lot of sauce on that one. Elijah Bryant up to 20.
We go watch them play against other teams. And I used to heckle teams so bad.
Okay, vlogger.
Why you being mean to me? What I did to you?
Nothing.
I always got someone mean to say.
I said, okay, vlogger.
Well, you're not slick. We saw what you were doing out there. Spitting game. Why you have her glasses on? What are you saying? Huh?
Who said the first word?
I have
Give me a hug.
I have maximum downloads.
Give me a hug, Chad. Thanks for coming.
Know what you're saying?
Always has
Detroit.
something to say.
And he goes in my cheeks. Oh my gosh.
Hi, get off the phone. We have to go.
Wow, that was an.
Who is Kyle on the phone with? Who are you on the phone with? Wait, time out. So my parents left, and they're like, I told Janelle, I said, we're going to be coming back downstairs because they're going to forget some stuff. Che calls me. He forgets his Louis Vuitton belt. So I'm like, okay, that's one thing. We start going through drawers. I niggas forgot the whole, they need a whole new suitcase.
There we go.
Gas pedal.
I do the pushing.
Push as hard as you can.
Oh.
You have like barely any swelling.
What, Dr. Bryant? Alright, easy, killer. It's not a prosthetic foot.
You